Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling the virtual keyboard button in the taskbar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization Settings, select Taskbar. Here in the Taskbar options, under the System Tray Icons section, you can edit the Touch Keyboard setting and change it to Always. When you do that, you will see an icon appear in the right of the taskbar, and you can click that to easily bring up the virtual keyboard. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.